Hello YouTube world, welcome back to the InfoZ channel. Before we go any further, I'd like to say a big thumbs up and a thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you taking the time to subscribe to my channel and also watch my videos. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about baking. Now for years I've gone around with something like this, which is a Primus 20cm frying pan. It's great for in the morning. I can cook bacon and egg, breakfast or whatever. But I'd like to take it a step further and actually try it and bake something in here. So in order to do that, I need to find something that goes on top, increases the depth, and is lightweight and cost effective, as in cheap. Because the idea of this is it carries around in my backpack or in my cycle pannier, I'm not going to go out and buy something like a Dutch oven, which I'm never going to be able to carry. So it's got to stay lightweight. I was looking at various ideas. First I came up with a standard Victoria sandwich cake tin. I stole that from the kitchen. And I put it on top. Yeah, it increases a bit of height, but it's not very good because it takes up only half of the space inside there, so it's not really a good option. So I was having a think about it, and then I popped out and I was wandering around in my local TK Maxx. And I came up with this. It's a Pyrex 20cm deep baking tin. And I saw that and I thought, oh, that might be quite good. And there was two of them there. And so I got the first one and I put it the other way up. And I thought, wow, that's an instant camp cooker. It's lightweight. I think it'll do the job. So then I looked at the price. $3.99 each, they're discounted. And I thought, wow, sold. So for a grand total of, hopefully you can see that, £7.98, I've got myself a lightweight camping oven. Is it any good? I've got no idea, but I've got some hot coals outside and I've made a bit of a pizza and we're going to do a bit of a cook up in a minute and we'll find out. And when I bought the two of these back, I was playing around with them as you do. And then I got my Primus pan out, 20cm, and I thought to myself, would it fit on top? Is it any good? So I tried it. Absolutely perfect. It's like they was made for each other. It's given me a lot of depth there. And to give you an idea of how much actual cooking depth we've got, I've got here a 900ml Avenue pot. If you put that inside, that covers that. And there's still a little tiny bit of room to spare. It doesn't quite fit if you put the lid on, but this will give you a general idea. So we've got that much height to play with. We could roast a chicken, albeit a reasonably small chicken. So I'm really excited about that. The final piece of the puzzle would be, would this fit inside my frying pan to maximise space? Welcome back everybody. I've answered the phone. Maybe I should have switched it off before I started this. I guess that's just part of being in the modern age. Where was I? Pyrex baking tin. Will it fit inside my 20cm Primus pan? There's your answer. Absolutely perfect. I can't believe how well these two go together. I've got loads of space in there to put things. It takes up no more space really in my backpack. The only thing would be on this particular pan, on this magic 20cm pan, you've got this that sticks out. And that's to help you lift it up, lift it down. So if you put this in your backpack, it's going to take up a little bit more space. Let's see if I can show you. It's going to have that little lug stuck out there. But to be honest, that's actually an advantage when it comes to using it as a camp oven. Because providing you've got something on your hand, stop your fingers burning, you can just turn it over, have a look, see what's going on, and put it back. And I think it's absolutely outstanding. Let's get this bad boy cleaned up, take the stickers off, we'll get it outside and we'll do some baking. Real good?
Yep.
Oh, excellent. So here we are then, this is a bit impromptu. I've greased the bottom of my pan. I've covered it in flour. In this case it's buckwheat flour. So we're going to make a quick pizza. This is my dough, which is quite dry. Let's get out of the way. This is a wheat-free pizza dough base, which I've made. And all it is buckwheat flour, tapioca flour, a bit of milk, some milk powder, there we are, and some baking powder. Just smash it down till it's about the right size. That will do. Nice bit of flour on the bottom. Put them in our tin. And then we'll go for some topping, which is going to be nice and simple, no mucking about. There we go. Bit of tomato puree. Or in this case, too much tomato puree, but we'll get over it. On top of that, I've got a few herbs, some black pepper, just sprinkle them on there, that'll do. Bit of onion. This is all experimental. The winter time, when you're kind of not going out much, it's a good time to experiment, ready for the summer. A couple of bits of mushroom, some tomato, there we go, no messing about. On top of that, we're going to have some olive oil, get some moisture in there so it's not too dry. And then I got some Emmental cheese that needs to be used up. I'm just using that whatever I've got lying about. Nothing spectacular. Doesn't have to be all fussy Jamie Oliver. It's just a case of making some good, wholesome food.
You got enough cheese there?
Absolutely not. Let's just use it up. And the final thing would be to put the lid on. And there we have it. Let's take it outside and cook this baby up. Cut. So here we are. We got our pizza mix. We got our coals ready. Just whack the lid on. And now get some of these hot boys going on. Plenty on top. There we go. Come back in 20 minutes and see how we got on. Right, we're 10 minutes in. It actually smells quite nice already. Let's have a look. We're getting there. Just as a... yeah, you don't want to be holding that without a glove. Let's come back in a little bit. Right, we're 20 minutes in. It smells amazing. Oh, nearly done. Kind of overdid it on the cheese. We give it another 5 minutes. Pour it up a bit. And then we go for it. Here we go, it's had about 25 minutes. I'm kind of out of time now on what I'm supposed to be doing, so let's have a look. That's actually not bad at all. There we go. Could have done with another 5 minutes. It looks cooked underneath. Oh, bit of hash there. As you can see, the pan has withstood that really well. Let's get this inside and dish it up. Here we are then. We've got it inside without dropping it. First test. Ooh, no soggy bottom. That's a good one. Let's see if we can get it out without smashing it up. No, I don't need that anymore. I got no idea what I'm doing. Oh, screw this. Here we go. Oh, let's get it out on a tray.
Nice.
Got a good crust underneath. Let's cut him up. And I've got a couple of guinea pigs around today. Not real guinea pigs, but I think people might be willing to give it a go and give an honest opinion before they keel over and get taken to hospital. There we have it. Oven baked pizza outdoors. Oh. Here we are then. We washed the pans out. That's my Primus pan. Absolutely perfect. Is the big test. Is our new $3.99 Pyrex pan. Absolutely perfect. It's not affected it at all. So there you have it. There's only one more thing to do. Tuck in, everyone. Or not. Alright, I'll try a bit of this. You enjoy it out yourselves?
Yeah.
I'm in for honest opinions. Buckwheat pizza, what do you think?
That's good.
Yep.
Right, they don't sound that convinced. Anyway, that's enough. Anyway, that's all for me for now. If you got this far in my video, thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time. Happy baking.